Shasta here,
Sakura, so.
and we had someone comment on one of our pictures that they wanted us to do the sewing machine challenge. And so, we're going to try to do it. So I have my phone set to 2 minutes, and we are going to start now. How do you even, okay, do you have to have your heels, touching?
Yeah, you have to have your ankles touching, and your heels cannot touch the floor.
The heels can't touch the floor?
Your heels cannot touch the floor.
Well, you know
That's how they were
what?
doing it. I think. I'm not doing this correctly.
This is,
I have to be like, this hurts. This is hard.
I can't turn the volume up on the music, dude. This is not okay. No, we're trying, and this isn't working.
Let's have a conversation while we're doing. Oh my throat. While we're doing this. Shut it. Let's say why we chose our usernames.
Our usernames?
Yeah, or not our usernames, but our names that
Our,
we're using currently.
names?
Yeah, those ones.
Well, you go first.
I chose Sakura because I'm a big fan of Japanese anime, and
My legs really hurt too.
And I watched a show called Tsubasa, and before that I watched Card Captors. Both their names were Sakura, and I just kind of liked them, so I've liked the name Sakura ever since.
I just have always liked the name Shasta. I don't know where I actually found it from, but when I was 11, I think, I started using it for my username for everything, so I just decided to have that for my name.
And let's say our favorite numbers.
I don't have a favorite number.
Oh.
You can say your favorite number.
Mine's 55. I answer 5 for everything.
I can't feel my legs, dude.
I keep stopping on accident.
13, 12, 11, 10,
It's only
9,
2 minutes.
8,
Holy
7,
crap, it has.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, done? What? Dude, it's done.
Oh. I can feel my
Yes! Okay. Woo!
Oh, not sitting up.
Let's
Yes,
pull
I am.
this
Maybe I don't know what's going on.
closer. Oh my goodness. Fuck this. Stupid. Oh my gosh. I'm really cut that out. Don't worry.
Okay, so
So that was our
demonstration of sewing.
trying to do the sewing machine challenge.
I don't think we did it correctly. If we
Probably
didn't,
not.
well,
Don't blame us because, we don't know how. So,
we watched the videos though. She said.
we tried. Okay, I don't know.
There's no picture.
It wasn't it.
You can't just make fun of people.
I'm not saying it. I'm just saying it wasn't it.
That's I'm gonna comment.
So if you guys want us to try something else, please comment below what you think it should be. What?
Well, I'm saying that we could probably, have another video. That's what they're called. They're called videos. Yes.
Yeah.
About certain stuff, like our favorite colors and all that stuff. Like a
Yeah.
get to know the
Get to
person.
know us. Yeah. Okay. We'll post a video of that later and
And
then
bloopers
and-
sometime.
maybe in the future. But yeah. Okay. This is the end of the video. Bye guys.
See ya.